What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Secret Artist. This is Top Secret Connoisseur. Keep it real with me and I keep it 100. Kings and queens, yeah, shout out my gunners. Trust no bitch, don't trust my tight circle. Doing a boxing video because I thought, let me just dabble in with the tattoos and things because I have been taught back in the day on how to tattoo. Shout out to my homie Anil, you know what I'm saying? So I like, yo, let me just go on Amazon, buy a fucking tattoo gun and see what's what, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing today. I got my blue soap that just recently came in. Hopefully this smells good as people said in the description. Bad thing about it, like the fucking box and shit was kind of damaged, but nonetheless, hopefully it works. Alright, and now here's the good stuff. Made in China. So this is the Hawink tattoo kit. We'll see what it is, and I'll probably add another extra clip of me experimenting the tattoo gun. It's a tattoo pen, and tattooing myself on my finger of to see the quality, you know. And I'm gonna be tattooing, obviously not this big, but hope y'all read it, you know. And my pronouns are greatest ever, dickheads. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so once you cut open the box, this is what I got. You got some ink. Black, green, black, white, purple, blue, yellow, and red ink. I'm gonna try out the black ink today to see how the hot ink actually is and how it turns out. People be saying they abide by dynamic ink. Nonetheless, I'll probably buy that dynamic if this black doesn't work out, but I believe the black will work out because I'm just using it for lining. Okay, got my stencils, instruction kit. This is very important. This for the stencils, transfer paper, okay, fake skin. Next important thing to practice, keep training on, is the fake skin. Very important. Your tape. This is for the grip to wrap around your gun so that you could grip it and hold it in place. Important. This is, I believe this is the power supply. Or actually, nope, this is the pedal to control the levels of the voltage that goes within to your pen or your tattoo gun. Right here, see the pedal. And I like how everything is nice and in the wrapper and everything. That's cool. Alright, next up, you got my cord. Okay. What is this? Gloves. I like how they gave me a pair of gloves. That's cool. I got some caps to put the ink in. Alright. What is this? Alright, and here's the pen. Nice in the packaging. Everything looks good. Alright, what else is here? Next cord to, I believe this is to
put in the gun for the pedal. Power supply. Nice little small power supply. Goes up until 18 volts. So that's pretty good. Alright. Yo, the image on this packaging is immaculate. If you know, you know. This is the Anunnaki. It says it comes with Classic Series 10 pieces. What kind of needles? So it comes with two types of needles. It comes with the 5RLs, which is these ones for your lining. And then you got the, which one is this? And the 3RL, also for linings. You can also use them for shading as well. And last but not least, you got your grip, your firm grip, your finger ledge, for tattoo cartridges. Alright, so that is all the things that it comes with for a subtotal of $60 Canadian. And now what's left for me to do is to test it out, to show y'all how it actually works and the power it gives off. Alright, so let's get to it. And there you have it, YouTube. So now I'll go give people fingers. This shit hurt.
Watching the time when your partner start. You know I got a shine. It was written from the start. Half man, half machine. It got me feeling like I'm Tony Stark. It's a race, a marathon. For my city and put it on. Baby, go and take it off. I don't like be flashy, flashy, but then she like flashy, flashy. Ain't your average ordinary. Okay, cool, yeah, I won't rock the boat and Leo. I'ma give it all. Go and get to